The Union Cabinet on Wednesday approved a bill to repeal the 3 farm laws which triggered protests at Delhi borders by thousands of farmers. The Farm Laws Repeal Bill 2021 was approved days after Prime Minister Narendra Modi's announcement to repeal the 3 central farm laws.
आज मैं आपको, पूरे देश को ये बताने आया हूं कि हमने 3 कृषि कानूनों को वापस लेने का, रिपील करने का निर्णय लिया है.
The bill will be introduced in the Lok Sabha for passage in the upcoming winter session of Parliament beginning November 29th. According to the official sources, all the 3 laws will be consolidated in one bill so that they can be repealed in one go. The repeal of these 3 legislations has been one of the key demands of around 40 farmer unions protesting against these reforms for nearly a year now.